What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy K'Brooklyn. Welcome back to another episode. I know you're like, damn, son, why is he so close? I'm so close because we're making fresh ginger shots. You gotta have lemon. You also have to have some organic ginger. You have to have some, what's up, doc? You gotta have carrots. You also have to have your turmeric. And we have to have, last but not least, some cayenne pepper. Let's go. What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy K'Brooklyn. Welcome back to another episode. Thank you for tuning in. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. Hope everybody is doing amazing, feeling good. I am feeling good. They say if you feel good, you look good, you do good. So let's go. Right now, today, we are doing the ginger. It's called the ginger cleanse. Yup, it's a ginger juice cleanse. So I will leave all the ingredients at the end of the video. So please stay tuned. Watch to the end. Like, comment, and subscribe. I like when y'all comment, you know. I'm a small channel that's growing, so I like to respond back while I can. And again, I will leave what the benefits are, the health benefits, what it does for the body. Again, this is called the Ginger Juice Cleanse. I'm gonna leave all information at the end. I already showed y'all what the ingredients are, but just in case you was late and you just tuning in, so we have turmeric, we have cayenne pepper, we have organic ginger, we have carrots already cut up and cleaned, and we have lemon. So you know what? We got 2 lemons, we have 2 carrots. I cut them up already. And again, I'm just showing you here in the package. Obviously, you don't want to put all of this. You put like a little sprinkle, what you could do. And this is the cayenne pepper, which is going to wake that ass up. And we have organic ginger. I have 11 pieces of organic ginger. Some are broken up. Ginger smells so good. Enough of me talking. Let's get this going. Again, this is called the turmeric. No, excuse me, the ginger juice cleanse. And we are going to get healthy together. And the reason I'm doing this, say it with me, so that way you don't have to. That's right. We learned it today. Again, this is called the K'BklynJuicing. Just turned it on. Doesn't come on when the top is up, but when the top is down, boom. Let's go. So we're going to add. You know, I don't like to add everything at once. My favorite word. What is it? Marinate. Say it with me. I feel good today. Hopefully y'all are feeling better. And again, you see them glass jars right there. Go on to Amazon, get you some mason jars. That way you can preserve it for 3 to 5 days. Let's go. You know, I'll add a little bit. And again, we're going to add our seasonings at the end of the video. Once, not in the video, but once we finish juicing, because you don't want to put this in the juicer, because those are seasonings. So we're going to close this. And again, I might throw everything up in there, but I'm hopefully y'all feeling well. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching that last video. If you did not, I will be putting it here, 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 or here. That way you can go back and look at it. That video did pretty good for me as a small channel. I'm happy with every view. So thank you, thank you, thank you. The love is there. I know this is gonna be a crazy video for me because I love ginger and I like turmeric. So I never had them together. And again, you want to take this, you know, you don't sip on the whole thing. Like you don't sip an 8-ounce glass of it. It's gonna either be a shot for you or drink about 3 to 4 ounces throughout the day. And again, at the end of this video, I'm gonna let you know what the benefits are for you. So again, for this cayenne pepper, boy, ooh, if you like spice, write down. As a matter of fact, if you like spice, put the whole thing. Do what you gotta do. Listen, that's on you. Okay, this is mixing pretty quick. Let's just add the whole thing up in there so the video, because I know y'all got things to do, people to see. It's a busy world nowadays. There's money to be made. Again, all the stuff is clean, sliced, and diced. Again, I'm always tasting what I gotta have. This is my first time making it. So, you know, I'm getting it with y'all. We're gonna taste this together. You know, I'm strictly, honestly, if I'll make this again, I'm not a spice person. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of a punk when it comes to like, but again, we're gonna throw a little smidget up in there and see what it do. This, man, if you got inflammation, ooh, turmeric does it. Turmeric warm as a tea, put it with your spice. Man, the inflammation, like I said, 53 years young, feeling good, about to take on Jake Paul. I'm lying, I'm just talking, I'm just gossiping. But anyway, we're gonna let this spin a little bit. This is like the orange sunshine right here. The carrots are carroting, the ginger is gingering. I hope all of y'all are feeling great. Okay, we got a little noise going on. Hope y'all are feeling great. Let me some of this out. And again, I like to use the strainer to catch some of the, you know, bits and pieces of it. You know, I like to smell it, give it the smell test. Why do we do that before we eat stuff? Why do we always smell it? We do that, and people are like, oh, dogs, you know, we ain't dogs, but I guess they say all men are dogs. But we always smell something before we eat it. Oh, if it don't smell good, we won't eat it. But I guess it works. I guess it works. This is doing what it got to do. I can't wait to taste this. Again, this is new to me. We're going to learn it together. I'm doing it so that way you don't have to. So again, we have, just in case y'all are super late to the video, we got organic everything. Again, I try to do everything organic. We got our spices right here. We got a turmeric. We got a cayenne pepper. Boom, we had some organic ginger. We had 2 lemons and 6 carrots. What's up, Doc? So again, we are about to taste this. I'm excited about this. And we all know carrots are good for the eyes. And again, you know, our eyes are getting worse because that screen time. People, we ain't gonna talk about that. But let that screen go a little bit. Enjoy life, people. I walk the street too many times to see people on the phone for everything. I was at the movies the other day. Dude in front of me sitting on the phone Facebooking at the movie theater. I don't get it. Don't understand it. Anyway, don't really have any smell. Now again, I like to get this really cold. I had it in the refrigerator, but you know how the story go. It's better when it's cold, but it's room temperature. Let's see. Oh, duh. I ain't add the spice. So you know I'm gonna do it this way. Pour it up in here first. Boom. Oh yeah, gotta do the pour. I know I heard you in the background say, yo, Kev, you gotta do the pour. I got you. I got you. I got you, my brother. Thank you for reminding me. Boom. So now what we're gonna do is open up some of this. Whew. Don't like spice, but can't be a punk today. Let's go. I'm gonna add a little bit. Not gonna add this whole thing. Boom, right there. I said that's a little bit to me, probably a lot. Now we're gonna add the turmeric. Get them joints going. Like to slide me some oil. Gotta get that going. That's right. If you like to dance, you gotta get this in your system. Gotta get this in your system, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, you can add a teaspoon, a tablespoon. I'm winging it by ear. You know how the grandmothers do. When they cook like that, they don't measure nothing. Man, boy, pass me that season. I got you. I got you. Boom, throw this up in there. We're gonna shake this up. Look at the color. Look how it just changed color. Let's get this going. Give it a good shake. Bam, right there. See what we taste like. Woo, okay. Kick now, that turmeric and that ginger woke it up. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh, it's spicy. It's good though. I think you take this in the morning. This will wake that ass up. Ho, ho, ho. Spicy, spicy, spicy. Ooh. Yeah, that's a shot right there. That's a shot. This is nice. Oh, snap. Ooh, I'm sweating like I'm on an OJ case. Ooh, let's go. But anyway, it's your boy K'Brooklyn. Thank you for tuning in. Another episode. The love is there. I see you when I see you. Everybody stay blessed. No stress. You know the rest.